What's up, guys? Tuning in with Built J. We're gonna be doing a blower motor and a blower motor resistor replacement. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. And the symptoms that we were having was the blower motor was turning on and off, as well as it would only work on mode number 4. So we would get no air or no sound from the blower motor at 3, 2, and 1, which is mostly related to the resistor. And then the failing blower motor we're replacing with a new one here. And that's right underneath the driver's side dash. It's going to take you a few hours to take it out and put it in, because you have to take out the gas and brake pedal, which is right here. You're going to take out 13s, my apologies, 13 millimeters. So there's 1, 2, there's a third one in there, 4, and 5. So once you take those out and disconnect the electrical connectors, you should be able to have more than enough room to go ahead and install the new blower motor. It's going to be installed like this, and then you'll twist it and lock it in. So as you can see, you have to take out the shaft for your rack and pinion. And those are the 4 bolts that connect to the brake booster. And if you look up above there, that's your connector for the blower motor. And that's where it sits. So we'll go ahead and we'll replace all the components and then test to make sure everything is working. And if you're not aware, there's the blower motor. It's already installed. There's a screw that's going to be on the top. It's a Phillips screw. Just make sure you screw it in. There's only one. It's at the top left, so do that. Alright, so now we're going to install the blower motor resistor. So we'll install that now. And this is going to be facing the outside towards the driver's seat, or towards the climate control, because this is going to be regulating, or should I say measuring, the airflow. So we'll make sure that this goes straight in like that. So motherboard is going to be facing outward. The white backing is going to be facing the firewall, and then we'll plug it in.